Hello everyone, it's Ms. Larsen-Cooper. I'm here today to show you how to answer questions by making an inference. When we make an inference, we use the clues in the picture to make our best guess. For example, the first question is, who is in the scene? When I look at the scene, I see 4 people. 2 are grown-ups and 2 are kids. They all seem to know each other because they are playing together. So my guess is that they are a family. So when I answer the question, who is in the scene, I would say there's a mother, a father, a sister, and a brother. The next question is, where are they? Again, I'm going to look in the picture for clues. I see sand, I see water. I'm going to guess that they are on the beach. So when I answer, where are they? I'm going to say the beach. What are they doing? Again, let me look at the picture for clues. I see buckets and shovels, and they are molding the sand with their hands. And when I look at what they're making, it looks like a sandcastle. So my answer for this question is, they are making a sandcastle. The next question is, what time of day? If I look at the picture, I see blue sky, and it's obviously light. So I don't know the exact time of day, but I know it's not night. So for my answer, I would say it's during the day. The next question is, what season is it? Again, looking at the clues, I see that the people are wearing swimsuits. That must mean it's pretty warm, otherwise they would have more clothes on. My guess is that it is summer. The next question says, have you ever been to the beach before? We all might have different answers to that question, but my answer is yes, I have been to the beach. If yes, what did you do at the beach? One of my favorite things to do at the beach is to chase the waves in and out. And the last question is, why do people go to the beach? This is another one where we need to think about the clues. When I see their faces, they're all smiling, and it doesn't look like they're doing something like work or getting food. So I'm going to say that they are going to the beach for fun. Going to the beach is a recreational activity. It's something we do for fun. Now it's your turn to practice with the pictures that I have sent you. Thanks again for joining me. I miss all of you. Bye.